Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add text in Filmora, easily add text to videos, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So first, to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. And once you're in, it's time to import the media or clips that you want to use. So just click onto the plus icon in here, or you could simply drag and drop the videos and photos that you want to use. So as you can see, I have here the different videos already. So we're going to use this one. Click onto the plus icon to add this here onto the timeline. Then right after, to add in the text, there are a lot of options to do. So we could use the titles here onto the upper part, and these are the different text that has designs already. So these are pre-made templates that we could go ahead and use. So some are paid, some are free. You'll just have to go ahead and click onto them and update the text inside it. But if you want to go ahead and do it from scratch, we have the text button in here onto the bottom part. We're going to click onto that, and let's add a quick text. So you'll just have to click onto the text here, and as you can see, it will give us an option to type in here. So we're going to type in anything that we want to see onto the video. Like for example, skate. Now to make this bigger, you'll just have to go ahead and click it like that, or drag it the sides of this. Or you could go ahead and head here under text basic, and there should be an option for you to go ahead and make the font bigger. Right after that, if you want to go ahead and try to change the font for this, you'll have the option to do that one here under basic as well. So it's time to choose a font in here that you prefer. So let's go ahead and browse to the different font here, just like that. And right after, it should give you an option also in here to do bold onto your text, or italic, or add an underline for that one. So let's make this more bigger and position this onto the middle part. So you could also adjust its duration, and this is now how our video looks like together with the text. And that is how easy you could add text in Filmora. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.